You will love the features of this 2023 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This elegant E-Class delivers high-line luxury and family-friendly practicality in a quietly confident package. From its advanced safety features to its all-weather capability to its refined styling and premium materials, this silky smooth operator is poised to infuse your travels with delight. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, navigation system, keyless entry, premium sound system, power passenger seat, wood grain interior trim, lane keeping assist, heated mirrors. You don't have to sacrifice luxury to get practicality. This elegant E-Class offers the best of both worlds. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.